The new topic of class 12 is transpose of a matrix. Okay. Transpose of a matrix. Suppose A is a matrix of order m by n. AI is a order of m by n. Suppose there is a matrix. Okay. Thus the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and column of A, it means this is known as the transpose of a matrix. It can be represented by A dash or A small at. This is the transpose is A ji. Just convert into rows into column and column into rows of the matrix n by m. This is a transpose of a matrix. For an example, suppose a matrix is 1, 2, any element 2. अब इसका हमको ट्रांसपोज निकालना है, तो ट्रांसपोज में क्या करेंगे, जस्ट रोज को कॉलम में लिख देंगे. रो इज 1, 2, 3. इट मीन्स इट विल बी कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम. -1, 0, 5 is a second row. It means it will be a second column. And the third row, third column. This is the transpose of a matrix. Just interchange the rows into column and column into rows. Properties of transpose of a matrix is, the first property is transpose of transpose equal to the matrix itself. अगर रिपीट 2 बार इसको ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो सेम वही मैट्रिक्स आ जाएगी. सेकंड, इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एन number constant, then it will be equal to a constant this. And the transpose of sum of the matrices equal to the transpose of A plus transpose of B. And the same in the product, transpose of the product of AB equal to the product of transpose of B into transpose of A. These are the properties of transpose of matrix. Just transpose is a interchanging the rows and columns. And the symmetric matrix is square matrix A is said to be symmetric if transpose of A is equal to the matrix itself. It means it is a symmetric matrix. A square matrix is called symmetric matrix if the transpose of itself is equal to the matrix itself. Okay. Aij equal to Aji. Aji transpose is this and the initial is this. And the skew symmetric means transpose of a matrix is equal to the negative of the matrix itself. Negative of the matrix itself. Suppose एक example is here. Suppose A equal to 0, -2 and 2, 0. And the transpose is 0, -2, 0, -2, 2, 0. Just it is equal to the -A. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Now the exercise based on this properties of matrix, exercise 3.3. Solutions of the exercise 3.3. The question number 1 is find the transpose of each of the following matrices. Okay. The transpose of 5, 1 by 2, 0. This is a column and convert into the row. 5, 1 by 2, 1. This is the transpose. Suppose there is A, it means it is a dash. Same into the 2. The transpose, this row 1 minus 1 convert into the column. And 2, 3 second row convert into the column. This is the transpose. And the third one, the same first row -1 5 6, this will be converted into the first column, second row into second column, and third row into third column. This is the transpose of the matrix. Just interchange the place of rows and column. Question number 2. If a matrix A is this and B is this, then verify the transpose of A plus B equal to the transpose of A plus transpose of B. In the second one, A minus B, transpose of A minus B equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Okay. First of all, A plus B. We have to find the A plus B. -4 -1. This will be -5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, -2. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. -2 plus 1 is -1. 1 plus 3, 4. And 1 and -1, 0. 1 and 1, 2. Okay, this is the A plus B. Now transpose of A plus B. Convert the rows into column. -5, 3, -2. -5, 3, -2. 6, 9, 9. -1, 4, 2. This is the transpose of A plus B. Now transpose of A equal to transpose of A is -1, 2, 3. This is a row, convert into the column. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9. And -2, 1, 1. And transpose of B, -4, 1, -5. 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 1. Now add these two. A dash plus B dash. -1 -4 is -5. 5 plus 1, 6. -2 plus 1, -1. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. And 1 plus 3, 4. 3 minus 5, -2. 9 plus 0, 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. This is equal to the transpose of A plus B. Equal to the transpose of B. Hence, verified. Next, the difference of A minus B. So first we have to find the difference. -1 plus 4, it is 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 plus 5, 8. If we minus, then it will be add. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. -2 minus 1 is -3. 1 minus 3, -2. And 1 minus 1, 0. And transpose of A minus B, 3, 1, 8. 3, 1, 8. This row convert into the column. Second row 4, 5, 9. And -3, -2, 0. This is and the transpose of A minus transpose of B. We can do here transpose of A minus 1 minus 4, it means plus 4, 3. -1 plus 4, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. -2 minus 1, -3. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. And 1 minus 3 minus 2. And the third 3 plus 5, 9 minus 0. 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 0. 8, 9, 0. This is both are the same. It means A minus B transpose equal to A dash minus B dash. Hence proved. Now question number 3. The question number 3 is, if transpose of A is given, that's 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B equal to this one, then verify transpose of A plus B equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And second one is the subtract. The transpose of A is given. So first we have to find the A. Now convert rows into a column. 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Then add A to B. AB. AB is minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Now the transpose of A plus B, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. This is the transpose of A plus B. Now add A, transpose of A plus transpose of B. So this is a transpose of A. Find transpose of B. Minus 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Now addition. This plus this. A dash plus B dash. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Here is 2 plus 2, 4. And 1 plus 3, 4. This is equal. Therefore, is it equal to the transpose of A plus B. And the second one for the difference, same A minus B. First here is the A, here is the B. Now A minus B. Subtract 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0 minus 1, minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3, 0 minus 2. 3, 0 minus 2. Now transpose 4 minus 3 minus 1 and 3, 0 minus 2. This is the transpose of A minus B. And the A transpose minus B, it means A dash minus B dash. It means 3 minus minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. A minus B dash minus 3. And 0 minus 1 minus 1. And the second column 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 3, 0, 3, 0 minus 2. This is equal to this. It means A minus B transpose. Hence proved. Question number 4. If transpose of A equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B equal to this, then find the transpose of A plus 2B. Okay. A dash equal to this, it means A equal to minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Just convert rows into a column form. And 2B equal to multiplied by 2 in each element. Minus 2, 2, 0, 4. Now add A plus 2B. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. And 4 plus 2, 6. And the transpose of A plus 2B, just interchange. Minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Simple. Question number 5. For matrices A and B, verify transpose of AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A, where A and B are these two. First, AB, product of A and B. First row, first column minus 1. First row, second column 2, 1. Minus 4, minus 1, 4. Minus 8, minus 4. And 3, minus 3, 6, 3. This is the AB. And the transpose of AB is, just convert, minus 1, 2, 1. 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. Now, B dash and A dash. B dash equal to minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. And A dash transpose 1 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. Now the product B dash A dash. It means first row, first column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4, 4. 1 minus 1 into 3, this. And 2, 1, minus 8, 6. And 1 minus 4, 3. This is the same. Here is the same. It means the transpose of AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. The second part is same. You can do yourself. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, if A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that transpose of A into A is equal to 1 in the both cases. Okay. A equal to this, and the transpose of A is cos alpha sin alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha. The product of these two, A transpose of A into A equal to, right, cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha multiplied to cos alpha. A is this, sin alpha and cos alpha. Now do product. First number, first row, first column. Cos square alpha minus minus plus sin square alpha. First row, second column, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. And the product, second row, first column, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. In the second row, first column, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. It means this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Minus subtract, and sin square alpha plus cos alpha 1. It means this will equal to the I. Okay. And the second part, almost same, different, very little difference. Sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. And the transpose, same, sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha and then sin alpha. Transpose, interchange the rows and column. Now A dash A, the same, sin alpha sorry, transpose first, sin alpha cos alpha, not the plus. Sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha, then A. Cos alpha and sin. Now product. First row, first column is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. In the first row, second column, sin alpha cos alpha minus both are the same questions. Second, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and the second cos square alpha plus sin square. It means this is equal to 1 0 0 1 equal to I. Hence proved. Question number 7. Show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. It is a matrix A equal to this, and show that it is a symmetric matrix. For symmetric matrix, the transpose of this matrix is also equal to this. Now, for symmetric matrix, the condition is the transpose of a matrix is equal to the matrix itself. Now, first we have to find the transpose of this matrix. The transpose means interchanging the rows into a column. The first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, and third row becomes this. Now compare these two matrices. 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 equal. It means the transpose of A equal to A. It means this is a symmetric matrix. In the second part, show that it is a skew-symmetric matrix. For skew-symmetric matrix means transpose of matrix equal to a negative of matrix. Transpose of a matrix is equal to a negative of the matrix itself. Now first we have to find the transpose. Transpose is this 0. First row becomes first column. And the second row minus 1 0 1. Minus 1 0 1 second column, and third one 1 minus 1 0. Third row becomes third column, second row second column, first row first. Now take negative common. So what will 0 minus 1 sign will be changed. 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. It means this is the same matrices. 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 same. It means it is equal to minus A. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is for a matrix A equal to 1 6 5 7. Verify that A plus transpose of A is a symmetric matrix, and A minus transpose of A is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. This is the A is given that. So now the transpose of A is 1 5 6 7. Now A plus A dash. A plus, now add 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 5 11, 5 plus 6 11, 7 7 14. Now transpose of this. Okay. Now transpose of this addition. Transpose of this equal to first row first column and second row second column. It means transpose of this matrix is also equal. Therefore, A plus transpose of A is equal to the A plus A dash. Therefore, we can write A plus transpose of A is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. And the second part is A minus A dash. Okay, first we have to find the A minus A dash. Second part, A minus A dash. Now subtract 1 from 2, 1 1 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1 0, minus 1, 6 minus 5 1 0, 1 0. This is a minus A dash. Now the transpose of this, convert rows into a column. First row, first column, second row. Now you can take common, negative 0 1 minus 1 0. This is equal to the A minus A dash. It is a skew symmetric, क्योंकि अगर इक्वल नेगेटिव के बराबर है, it means therefore A minus this is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now the question number 9. The question number 9 is find 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash when A equal to 0 A B minus A and so on. Okay. Now A is given that, then the transpose of this equal to convert 0 A B first column, second column minus A 0 C, third minus B minus C 0. Now find 1 by 2 A plus A dash. 1 by 2 add 0 0 0, second element A minus A 0, B minus B 0, minus A 0 0 0 0 0 and third 0 is 0, equal to a null matrix 1 by 2 0. Next, half of A minus, now subtract first element from first, 0 minus 0 0, A minus plus 2A 2B minus 2A 0 2C minus 2A 0 2C, and third minus 2B minus 2C 0, minus 2B minus 2C 0, and half of it means 1 by 2, take common to minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0. This is a half of A minus A dash. Now question number 10. Express the following matrices as a sum of metric and it skew symmetric, sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Express each of the following: 3 1 5 minus 1. This is A. 3 1 5 minus 1. For skew symmetric matrix equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash, and the skew symmetric matrix equal to 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This is the for skew symmetric. Now first we have to find the transpose. It means this will be 3 5 1 minus 1. Now find symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix equal to 1 by 2 3 1 5 minus 1 add to the 3 5 1 minus 1. Okay, so now addition is, we can put in the big bracket. 1 by 2, add 3 plus 3 6, 6, 6 minus 2. It means 3, 3, 3 divided by 2 minus 1. This is a symmetric matrix. And again skew symmetric. Half of A minus A dash. It means 3, 1, 5 minus 1 subtracted by 3, 5, 1 minus 1. 1 by 2, 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 5 minus 4, 5 minus 5, 4. This will 0. It means divided by 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 0. Now the symmetric A equal to, again we will add both these symmetric. Add 1 by 2, A plus A dash, it means symmetric, plus skew symmetric equal to 3, 3, 3 minus 1. 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 2, 2, 0. This will be equal to the 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1. This is equal to the A, symmetric matrix itself. Okay. Now the second one. The first matrix is this. Again find its transpose. 6 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3 minus 1. And 2 minus 1, 3. Just interchange the. Now the for symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash. Now add these two. Just I am adding verbally. 6 plus 6, 12, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2 minus minus 4, 6 minus 2, and 4 minus 2, 6. Now 1 by 2, 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Just divided by 2. For skew symmetric, skew symmetric matrix equal to 1 by 2 A minus transpose of A. Now subtract 1 by 2. 6 minus 6, 0, minus 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. The same matrix, it means we will get 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements 0. For the matrix, we will add symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric. Add, so we will get, this is the 0, 0. So already 6 minus 2, 2. The same matrix. 2 minus 1, 3. If we add 0, 0, the same will go. This is the original matrix. The original matrix is the given that 6 minus 2 same. Okay. Now for the third one. Here is A equal to this one. Now find transpose first. Row 3, 3 minus 1. Write in the column. Minus 2, 1. second column. Third -4, -5, 2. फिर again symmetric matrix, add 1/2, 1/2 addition of a plus a dash. Now add 1/2, add the elements. 3 plus 3 6, 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 plus 4 3, 6 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Second minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, and 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Next minus 1 minus 5, minus 4 and 4. And now 1/2, we can do 1/2, 3, 1/2 minus 5/2 divided by 2 each element. 1/2 minus 2 minus 2, minus 5/2 minus 2 and 2. This is the half of a plus a dash. Now the subtraction for skew symmetric. For skew symmetric, one by two a minus a dash. It means 1/2 a equal to 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1 1 2, and subtract 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1, and minus 4 minus 5 2. Now subtract and divided by 2. 3 minus 3 0, 3 plus 2 5, minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 3, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, minus 2 plus 2 0, 1 plus 5 6, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, and 2 minus 2 0. Now divided by 2 each element. So we get 0, minus 5/2, minus 3/2, 5/2, 0, minus 3, 3/2, 3, 0. Now add symmetric plus skew symmetric. Both matrices. Both matrix. Symmetric is this. Right here 3, 1/2 minus 5/2. 1/2 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 5/2 minus 2 and 2. And add to this 0 minus 5/2 minus 3/2. 5/2 0 minus 3. This one is 3/2 3 0. Add first element 3 plus 0 3. 1/2 plus 5/2 3. Minus 5/2 plus 3 minus 1. Next 1/2, this will minus 2, and this one is 1. 3 minus 2 1 1. 5 or 8 minus 4, 2 or 3 minus 5 and 2. 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. This is the original matrix. यही हमको प्रूव करना था. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिसेस एज ए सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स प्लस स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज now the transpose of A. 1 5 minus 1 2. For the same symmetric matrix 1/2 a plus add 2 4 4 4 1 plus 1 2 5 minus 1 4 minus 1 plus 5 4 2 plus 2 4 and now divide by 2 is 1 2 2 2. Now for skew symmetric matrix, one by 2 a minus a dash, 1 minus 1 0, 5 plus 1 6, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 and 2 minus 2 0 and divided by 2 is 0 minus 3 3 0. Now add both symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric. Add symmetric is 1 2 2 2 and skew symmetric is 0 minus 3 3 0. ये ऐड होके क्या आना चाहिए? सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स इनिशियल में 1 2 plus 3 5 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 equal to A. This is the original matrix. Okay, hence proved. Next, choose the correct answers in the questions 11 and 12. If A and B are the symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Negative of itself आएगी skew symmetric matrix. A option is right. And B, if A equal to this, then A plus transpose of A equal to I, then find the value of alpha. Okay. This is A, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now transpose of this minus sin alpha sin alpha cos alpha. Now A plus A dash equal to I given. Okay, now add cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Sin alpha minus sin alpha 0. It is 2 0 minus sin alpha plus sin alpha and 2 cos alpha equal to I means 1 0 0 1. Now compare these to 2 cos alpha equal to 1. It means cos alpha equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. Therefore alpha equal to pi by, this is the right answer, alpha equal to pi by 3.